Hi, this is one way I came here and I'm at the Grant Street level crossing in Bacchus Marsh. Now this crossing, wait for the vehicles to pass, with that truck. Now this crossing, it has what I would call the current vline setup. It's got set up here in position for so I get the crossing in the shot when the train comes, and on the ground found this 10-cent coin. It's a bit dirty. It's from 2013. That was a pretty cool find. We got new style Westinghouse LED lights. And here, well, Westinghouse Haze gate mechanism. The way you can tell is because it actually says Westinghouse Haze incorporated on the bottom. The older ones only have the WC Haze part, they don't have this bit. There's the new style Westinghouse LED lights on a Westinghouse Crossarm. It's black. Oh, I can't see it on the video. That little plug on the end, that thing actually looks like it's been reused. So does some of the pieces of mounting hardware and whatnot. And then up the top we got the Safetran 3-watt phonic valve. There's the tracks looking towards Bacchus Marsh station. And there's towards Ballarat. Crossover. Have a look at the rest of the signals. So we've got more of the new style Westinghouse LED lights. All these bases are unmarked. You see, they're either like that or they're just the plate welded to the bottom of the pole. There's the crossarm and signs. Over here, got the same stuff. All the new store Westinghouse LED lights, Westinghouse Crossarm, Safetran valve, Western Cullen haze mechanism. We're over this way to pedestrian crossings. So here it's this is also pretty standard. It's not like all the modern stuff. This one's got the push bars. That you push the bar down to open the gate. Here's the gate that closes when the crossing activates. It's got magnetic autocontrol mechanisms. I'm surprised how far back it is. It almost looks wide enough to fit a third track. It almost looks like it had a third track at some point. People with noisy trailers going over the tracks. But there's Westinghouse Crossarms, the current lights. There's the signs. Westinghouse logo. This side here has got the push bar. Push it down and open. Now let's close it carefully so it doesn't make a loud noise. One of them being a Pacific National Faults sticker on the over here on the other side. This side here, this is the vline sticker. But over here, just where this gateless signal is. A Pacific National Crossing Faults sticker. A0512. It could be A0512. Over here on this side, we have the actual number for this crossing, which is A0468. That Pacific National one says A0452.